Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll learn about intrinsic height. We learn a lot of advanced concepts and widgets in Flutter, but we often miss out on a small but extremely useful widget called intrinsic height. So what intrinsic height really is? Let's understand with this example. So in this example we are having three items in a row. Okay, so all the three items are definitely not distinct. Two of them are distinct and one of them is having two line of text. So what we can do in order to make this look good, if the first and second cards also were having the same height as the third one, then it would definitely look good. So what we can do in order to make this all the three cards of the same height? So welcome to the solution. This we can achieve by using intrinsic height. So intrinsic height is basically used to wrap around a row. Just see, we have a row here. So if we wrap our row using the intrinsic height, then it will take space for the largest or the child that we are having in a row. So we will see it by an example. Now let's understand how we can apply this in Flutter. So let's simply go to the dartpad, and I have made an example here. Where we are having three items in a row, and one of them is bigger. So how we can achieve this? I'll show you the code first. Here in a column we are having three things: icon, sized box, and text. Okay, let's first discuss what not to do here, because many of us straight away think that increasing the height of the first two may solve our problem. Basically it will make it more complicated, because if in the future our backend gives us some text, let's say a very big text, and here we have slash n some text slash n some text, then it will definitely go to 3-4 lines, and let the compiler do its work. So now we have these two line text, but let's say if the text goes in 3-4 lines, then it will definitely break, because height is not the permanent solution here. Let the compiler do its job. Okay, so it is still in 2 lines. Let me make it in 3 lines somehow in order to show you. Okay, now since we are having 4 line of text in one of the cards, and one of second card is having 1 line. Now the problem is, if we had used a definite height, then it will definitely would have broken this 4 line of text. So this is not the solution, and let's come back to the solution. So the solution here is definitely intrinsic height, as we discussed earlier. So we should just wrap our row with intrinsic height, and then it will definitely solve our problem. And after we have added the intrinsic height on top of our row, we can just reload the application, and that should solve our problem. Okay, so as you can see, all the items in the row are having equal height now. It doesn't matter if we increase the text or decrease the text, it will always take the space which will be having for the largest child. Okay, that's the end of the tutorial. If you learned something, don't forget to like our channel, and have a good day.